Today then we're going to be taking a look at this QF009 and has had rave reviews on many channels on YouTube. So I thought I'd better get one and check it out. Let's see how we get on. It's toy time!
AliExpress.
You can't beat it.
Afterburners as well. Brilliant.
Yes, be amazed. Just take it out of the box, put the landing gear on, such as it is.
And you get the transmitter as well?
Yep. We'll see. It's only a toy one, but...
You've flown before?
Nope. Where's the wind coming from?
Nowhere
Nowhere in particular. Well, is she going to be more than a toy? There's only one way to find out. Well, this is obviously in the stabilized mode. I've just reduced it down to half throttle. And it's on the normal rates at the moment. Like a lot of these models, you have to keep the speed up. The afterburners do look kind of cool. No, I'm not going to be brave enough on the first outing to put it into 3D mode, I don't think, or try and fly it upside down. I'll just get the feel for it with the supplied transmitter. No idea what the flight time is going to be like. It does look very nice. And quite quick. That's still only on half throttle there. Yeah, so far I'm quite impressed with the little guy. The stabilization works very well. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, which is what it's all about for me anyway. Well, as I say, I'm not quite sure how long the battery's going to last. Let's put it up a little bit higher. And that's 3D mode, which was very exciting. Don't think we'll try that again just now. There's no wind to speak of now at all, so there's not even a breeze to try and sort of harrier it into. Not that it's going to harrier in the 6-axis gyro mode. That's as close as we get. It's as close as we get to high alpha, I think. Well, the battery's doing very well. It's only a little 2-cell jobby. So that's enough excitement for me. Let's see if we can get her down in one piece. Hey. Yes, yes, oodles of fun. So yes, I would say that the little guy lives up to its reputation. I had a lot of fun. It was easy to take off and easy to land. As you saw, it gets very interesting in the 3D mode, but overall, considering the price of it and everything else, very happy bunny. Thanks for watching.